Negative feedback is one of the biggest problems any seller may encounter on a number of sites like eBay. It greatly affects the work of the seller, and it is the standard that is taken by the buyer to confirm your credibility and the quality of the products you offer. The higher the rating you have, the more you are highly qualified to sell at a high level. The more negative feedback you have, the lower the opportunity you have to perform as a great eBay seller. It is one of the most important methods and standards that can be distinguished by buyers. So now we will learn how to get rid of it completely and avoid it, and this is what we will explain to you in this article. First of all, you need to write a concrete description of your products on eBay. Sometimes we may ignore this point altogether, especially some beginners in the field of selling. They either copy or use applications and others, and sometimes there may be errors in the description, and this may lead to a negative evaluation, a so-called negative feedback on your product. Of course, it is very important to be careful about the quality of the description and its clear language so as not to fall into problems that may lead to, let's say, a refund. Also, because the description is one of the most important points of selling on any site such as eBay or other. And B. The inaccurate description of the product may not only lead to passive feed, but may also result in money being refunded from you. This is very important and may have a bad impact on your seller's status. Second, stay away from countries with shipping problems. This point is also very important since there are some countries that are facing political crises, wars and other calamities. In this regard, these countries have great problems in shipping policies, so it is good to move away from buyers who are from these countries, because that may cause a delay of delivery period so as not to get a negative payback, of course. The third important point is to keep in touch with your buyer on eBay. One of the most important points to be keen on is to follow the customer in a full way and also take care of all queries during the entire shipping time and answer any question, and certainly provide in full support during the sale of any product, and do not neglect any customer of your customers. This affects your work, and also the more accurate you are in dealing with them, the more successful you become. Finally, it is possible to raise the matter to eBay management. Sometimes you provide the customer with all the properties he is looking for, but he may still evaluate you negatively. This is why you can raise this problem for management, explain it well and make sure you provide all your evidence, and then let the management do its work. Cancel this negative rating.